Welcome back to the channel, everybody. If you are new here, I'm Brenda and I like to film vlogs about lifestyle. So if you're into that kind of thing, please support the channel by clicking subscribe. Please don't forget to like this video, comment, and share. So welcome back to another Vlogmas episode. Today I'll be bringing y'all with me a Sunday vlog. I love Sundays. Sundays are my favorite days of the week. So with that being said, I'm actually on my way to church. My husband is going to meet me there. And today is a special day because it's my parents' 35th wedding anniversary. So they've been blessed with 35 years of marriage, and they're going to be getting a special blessing at the end of Mass. So we are going to go join them, and I need to get going because the service starts at 1 o'clock and right now it's 12:45, so I really need to get going.
Years, 35 years of being together, granted we keep them united in love, dedicated and committed to fulfill their vows of staying together and loving each other through thick and thin, for better or for worse. Grant the grace that we need so that they may remain faithful to this vow. Through Christ our Lord. Amen.
Unfortunately, I didn't bring my vlog camera with me, but we did end up, because I thought we were just gonna go back home after church, but my parents are having a wedding anniversary dinner at a restaurant, so we're gonna go over with them, or we're gonna go with them. So we actually stopped by their house to drop off one of the cars, since my husband and I drove to church separately, and we're going to have this family dinner. And I didn't bring my vlogging camera because I didn't think we were gonna do anything after. I thought we were just gonna go back home and we were gonna do our thing. Anyway, it was really nice at church for them to get that blessing. It was really nice, and we can't wait to go have some steak. What are you gonna order?
I'm just gonna order a regular steak.
What kind of steak?
A regular steak.
Which one? A New York? A ribeye? Really? Anyway, so I hope that y'all don't mind the iPhone quality, but let's go to this wedding anniversary dinner. Congratulations. Sister made it to the dinner. Hey, what's going on? I ordered a ribeye steak with red mash, mac and cheese, and what did you order?
Filet mignon.
Filet mignon with a big potato. We made it back home from a very unexpected long day of family functions. We did not have this planned at all. As y'all remembered, after church, we decided to go out for a family dinner in celebration of my parents' 35th wedding anniversary, which was really fun. It was really nice to get some family time in, and right now I feel really tired. So I don't know. How do you feel about the dinner? How was your steak dinner?
It was good.
Yeah?
Yeah, I enjoyed it. I had a filet mignon.
A filet mignon? And what are you doing now?
Watching Gretch Drum's video.
Yeah, so and we just turned on our Christmas tree, and we turned on, did you turn on the balcony lights?
Not yet.
Okay, well we gotta go turn on the balcony lights. Are you gonna go turn them on?
Yeah, a little bit.
Anyway, so I have to figure out how the rest of this vlog is going to pan out, because at this point I'm assuming my husband is very exhausted as well. I'm exhausted, and you know, usually in my vlogs I like to share any type of baking or cooking recipes, but we literally had our dinner at the steakhouse and we had dessert there too. And usually we would, you know, do something. Y'all have seen my Cozy Sunday vlogs, but today was just very unexpected, but it was nice anyway. decided to just go ahead and give y'all a winter night skincare routine since it is now Sunday evening and we're just ready to just stay in. We're not gonna go out anymore. So with that being said, I like to start off with putting my hair up because obviously my hair is pretty long. And today I'm actually going to wash my hair. Today's hair wash day, so I'm gonna show y'all what I used for that as well. And after I put my hair up, I like to remove any jewelry. So I already removed my bracelets, my rings, and all of that stuff. And I just set that aside. And then, oh, let me get some bangs here so I don't look too crazy. And then I like to remove my makeup, my foundation with a makeup wipe remover. The makeup wipes that I'm using right now are the Target brand. I don't really like these. These actually make my skin sting, and I don't think my skin is very happy when I use them. This is the fragrance-free makeup removers, but for some reason my skin just doesn't like them. But I like to remove the foundation and the eyebrow makeup with wipes before I go in with my cleanser. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And I usually like to use my mirror, my magnifying mirror. So let me show y'all. I usually like to use my magnifying mirror. Say hello. I like to make sure that I really get in there and I really remove the makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start doing that. And usually I end up using about 2 wipes. So as you can see, I'm already removing lots of makeup, and I don't like to use this one around my eye area because my eyes are pretty sensitive too. Actually, my skin in general is quite sensitive. Like as an adult, I still struggle with acne, texture problems, and you know, I eat pretty healthy. I like to eat balanced and all that stuff, but I believe maybe it's just genetics, I'm not sure. But I just like to go in and remove my makeup first with a couple of these makeup wipes. And then after I'm done removing all of the makeup, I like to remove my eye makeup with makeup remover for the eye. Sometimes whenever I'm really tired, I don't end up removing my eye makeup with that eye remover solution. I just remove it with a makeup wipe, and then my eyes end up getting so red because of that. My eyes react to it. So, and even though it says here that it's gentle enough, it says it removes all traces of makeup, even waterproof mascara. But for some reason, like I said, my skin just doesn't agree with it. Like right now, my skin is already starting to tingle from the makeup wipes. The makeup wipe that I like to use, I'll put it here in the photo around here in this area, is the brand by Olay. And it's for gentle skin, or like it's gentle on the skin. It's for sensitive skin. And that's the one that I've been using for years. And I've used different makeup wipes. I've used Neutrogena. Obviously I used a Target brand. I think I've used Aveeno. My SIM card got full, so I had to switch it out, but I'm still using my second makeup wipe. This is what we're dealing with, people. I've got some acne situation going on. You know, that's just the reality of my skin. What can I do? What can I say? You know, after I remove my makeup with the makeup wipe removers, I like to start removing my eye makeup with this oil-free makeup remover. It's gentle for the eye area. This does not make my eyes sting or anything of that sort. And it's weird because this is the same brand. It's a Target brand. And this one doesn't seem to bother my eye, but the makeup wipes do. So I just shake it up and I get some soft tissue and I fold it up like this. Whoop. And then I just dab a little bit on the tissue, and then I just gently pat around my eye because I don't want to pull my eye area, hence the eye area right now is pretty sensitive for me. And when I wash my face with the cleanser, more of the mascara is going to come off. So then I just go back in and do the oil-free makeup remover and remove it. And I usually do that after the shower. But I really try to remove the best that I could, all of the makeup, because it's just not good for your skin around your eye. And I don't have room for error anymore because that age is coming in and it's showing. So just really got to try and remove gently as much as I can this non-waterproof mascara. Whew, I dropped my tissue on the floor and I'm not gonna pick that up. So as you can see, I still have some eye makeup, but I don't really want to pull. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it as is, and I'm gonna go in with my cleanser. I'm pretty picky when it comes to washing my face with my hands. So I always try to make sure that my hands are clean before I apply any skincare products on, or when I'm gonna wash my face. So I always like to wash them first and then I wash my face, because again, I have sensitive skin and I don't want to add problems to my skin by not taking those extra steps. I also like to use clean face towels. So I like to just set it here so that it's ready to go whenever I wash my face. And then my face cleanser that I like to use is the Origins Plantscription. I like it, but I don't love it, but it gets the job done. And I feel like Origins skincare products, my skin really likes them, in a sense that it just, like, I could feel the difference on my skin. It feels more plump, it feels more soft, it feels more happy, versus I use like other products, it just doesn't happen. So I usually just like to go ahead and wash my face. I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. So I just washed my hands and now I'm gonna put water on my face and get this going. Okay, I just put water on my face, and I like to just use about this much of face cleanser. And then I also have my clock right here, and I like to make sure that I count exactly 1 minute of cleansing my face gently with my fingers. And I like to make sure that the water temperature that I'm using is lukewarm, not too cold and not too hot. And the face cleanser instruction says not to use around the eye or on the eyes, so that's why I'm not using it. And I like to come in here and really get in there and get all that makeup off under my chin area. If I did any makeup, I know I did makeup there today. Also earlier today, I ended up burning my forehead with a curly iron.